Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Shafira Zuhrufillah Febriany from Team Technical GEOMATIC 1. Today I will explain about 3 tools in my workshop. The first is a measuring tape. It is called a measuring tape. It is used to measure distance. It is made of plastic. It has a 3 parts, a handle, a rotary tool, a plumb. It is a good medium of light plastic measuring tape. The second is automatic leveling. It is called automatic leveling. It is used to measure height difference and to transfer, measure, and set heights. It is made of iron. It has a 4 parts, a telescope, a level top, 3 leveling head, and a tripod. It is a good measure medium of orange iron automatic leveling. Last one is plumb bob. It is called plumb bob. It is for to find a vertical reference line called plumb or used to check the levelness. It is made of steel. It has a 2 part, a steel and a rope. It is a heavy long alcone silver yellow Indonesian steel plumb bob. So thank you for watching. Sorry if there are any shortcomings. Thank you and goodbye.